We're wading in because it's not plowed out. It's hidden. Is that what you're looking for in a homestead? There's a stream. There are trees. And there's open farm ground. Abandoned kind for organic farming. These will be loaded with apples. Just no apple pie today. They're hibernating. It's winter in Maine. Have critters. Grow your own food. For farm to the table. And come on in, have a cup of coffee. Sit by the wood cook stuff. The inside is rustic. Hello, I'm Maine Realtor Andy Mooers. Thanks for listening and watching the Maine Real Estate Channel. What's the word you hear overused so much now? Or the combination of words? Shabby chic. This is just rustic. I'm in sales, and I try to be optimistic, but it's just built like a barn solid. It's rustic. And there's cathedral ceilings. 2 loft bedrooms. You heat with this puppy. There's a lined chimney for safety with the beams. Is this what you're looking for? Whose turn is it to cook? The bathroom has a Sunmeyer toilet, a shower for gray water, more of the hand-hewn beams. I've sold this place before. It was repurposed from a barn. One balcony bedroom, overlooking the living room. It'll look a lot different once things green up, once summer appears, but the show must go on. Some people want to buy a property in the winter. They don't wait till the 4th of July to run the roads. Setback for privacy. No one knows you're in here. And the road it's off, the Townline road, is a dead-end one. You're just not going to get any trick-or-treaters. Metal roof, cedar shake siding. You're not going to get any more seclusion than this property offers, with an abandoned farm field, mixed woods, and that little water we saw coming in that's frozen over. I'm Maine Realtor Andy Mooers. Thanks an awful lot for watching. Thank you for tuning in to the Real Estate Channel. It won't be long now. Get the seed catalog out. Start figuring out what you're planting and where. Holton, Maine has a farmer's market too, to peddle your stuff that you don't eat. This would be one heck of a site for a wind generator. Harness the wind, put up a wind beater. She's a Ford. She's ready. She's waiting. She just never got the call. Dump truck too. Wish they'd put the window up before they parked it for the last decade. Well, we're headed back to the office, anticipating your call or to check for your email.